The Osmo Pocket 3 is my favorite vlogging camera ever. I've had her for over 2 years now, and I've tried different cameras, but this one is simply the best. Now, this video is not for you if you're like super techie and I don't know, want to know all the stats and everything on the camera. No, this video is for my girls who love filming their little vlogs, their little sit down videos. You just want to see how the camera looks. You just want to know what the pros are. This video is for you. I got you. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought we could sit down and chat all about the Osmo Pocket 3 because I get so many questions on this camera. I'm vlogging with it right now and I can't shut up about this camera. It's my favorite camera to do my daily vlogs, to just take with me everywhere. She's so lightweight, she's so discreet. And I know the Osmo Pocket 4 just launched, but it's not available in the US. It's not a huge difference from the 3. So if you've been on the fence and you've been trying to figure out like, should I get it or not? Get the Osmo Pocket 3. She's so good. I'm gonna dive into every question I've ever gotten about this camera. So before we actually continue, I'm just gonna switch cameras. I'm gonna switch over and start vlogging with my Canon PowerShot V1 just so that I can show you guys the Osmo Pocket and show you all of my favorite accessories. I love this camera. I think she is the perfect shy girl camera. I think she is the perfect everyday vlogger camera because the footage is so beautifully crisp, so clear. It has face tracking, so even if you're vlogging alone, you can add that element of the camera following you around, or you can turn it off. And she just pretty much fits everywhere. And I know there are other cameras on the market that people say, oh, this is perfect for shy vloggers, like the 360 little one and the Osmo Nano, but they're not the same quality. I tested out the 360 camera, I forgot the full name. I tested it out and the quality was just not giving, and it was saying that I filmed at 4K, but it was not giving, I'm telling you. So I'm just sticking to this one. She is the perfect vlogging camera. The camera that I'm vlogging with right now is also really amazing, but if you are on the shyer side, you're gonna want this one because this one, like, it does take up more space and you have to carry a tripod with it. With this baby, I don't have to carry a damn thing. Okay, so this is pretty much how I keep her, but I'm gonna break everything down because I feel like I have mastered the exact accessories that are just perfect for everyday use. I did get the creator combo, which brings an additional like mini little stand. I don't have it on right now. I really don't use it all that much. And then it brings this additional stand, which is also a power bank. And you know what? Everyone loves to say that this camera, the power dies very quickly. Kind of, but not really. It's never died on me, and it charges super fast, which I love. But I really don't find myself using this too much unless I'm vlogging out and about and it's like a super long day. Then I'll make sure to take it with me just in case, but to be honest, I don't really use it that much. And then the creator combo also brings a mic. These mics are the best and they're foolproof. All you need to do is turn your camera on, turn this on, and it automatically syncs. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to worry. Like, it just makes life so much easier. Those are the accessories that come with the camera, including this little wrist strap, right? The accessories that I recommend you get are literally only 3 things. Let's go piece by piece. So one is this specific cover because it covers the gimbal, the camera, and the screen perfectly while still allowing you to have the magnetic case on it. And this comes in black also if you don't want pink. I just love pink. And basically it just opens like this. And then this little magnetic casing, I pretty much keep on all the time. Sometimes I take it off. Like if I'm going out with a very small bag, I'll take it off so it doesn't take up space. It's really nice to have this on. When you order this case, it comes with these little magnetic strips. I'm gonna show you, hold on. It comes with a few of these magnetic strips and very simple. It just looks like this, right? You peel the white part off and you can stick it anywhere. I have one of these stuck in my bathroom mirror because I film a lot in my bathroom. So anytime you see me filming in my bathroom, it's because I have this already stuck on my mirror and I just put this on it. And the magnet is so strong. I have these in my car dashboard. I take these with me in my purse just in case I go anywhere that I want to stick it on. And it's pretty easy to remove too. Like on my car dashboard, I have two on two different spaces and they come off pretty quickly. Travel with these. When I was staying at a hotel a couple months ago, I put this just like on the hotel mirror and I vlogged all of my things there. Like, it is just so convenient instead of traveling with a tripod to just have your little magnetic strip. I love this stuff. Darn, it is very strong. Also, the great thing about these magnetic strips is that you can order them individually as well if you need more. So I ended up ordering more as backup. Oh, and then another thing I like about this magnetic case, actually let me take this part off, is that it can give you pretty cool angles because you can put this little part down. So it kind of serves like a tripod, but also like, let's just say for my car dashboard, I'm not gonna put the camera like this, right? So I just put this down like this and it'll film me like this on the car dashboard. So this is flexible. You can move it around in different ways. It's one of the best accessories that they invented for this camera. This little thing right here basically serves as a tripod because this isn't like super flat where you can just place it anywhere. But if you add this to it, it literally will just stand anywhere. It adds like the little foot of tripod. When I tell you, these are the only 3 accessories you will ever need. That's it. They make so many other accessories for the Osmo Pocket, but I just don't feel like it's worth it. They also make an attachment that's a little light. It messes with the gimbal. I have that also. I tested it. It's not convenient. It makes the gimbal shake. And also, something that I just found out about my camera is that it has a low light option. So if you're filming at night somewhere, it's pretty good with low light. You just put the setting on that you're filming at night, low light, and it's going to adjust and it's going to be fantastic. So you don't really need the little light. I'm telling you, these are the only 3 accessories you will need. And then it just comes right off. And again, this is just very small. So when you take all of those things off, you're left with this little camera. A lot of times I'll take her out just like this. Like if I'm going to any kind of event, dinners, something where I really want to be discreet, you can take her out just like this. And then when it comes to filming with her, to turn her on, you literally just flip the screen. It turns on right away. A little tip, especially if you're a shy girl, go in the settings and turn off the sounds it makes, because before I had turned it off, whenever I would turn it off and on, it would just make like a little beeping sound, nothing too crazy. But like if you're ever somewhere where you just want to like really discreetly just start recording, you don't want that sound going off. So I just turned that off and she's perfect, you guys. She is my baby. I love her so much. We're going to be together forever. It would take a lot for another camera to come in its place and become my daily vlogging camera. I love cameras. I love trying different cameras, but this is my daily go-to. It fits everywhere. It records an incredible quality. She's just easy. This is my girl. One thing that people complain a lot about the Osmo Pocket 3 is the color. So the footage straight out of the camera looks a bit washed out. What I do is very simple. For my YouTube vlogs, I edit on CapCut Desktop. It is the easiest software to use. If you don't know how to do something, you can literally just search it up on YouTube and find a tutorial, or on TikTok, and it'll tell you how to do whatever it is you're trying to do on CapCut. But anyways, I use CapCut. When I import all of my footage, I then add the filter called Clear 2. I put that over my footage and I just bring the intensity down. That's it. I'm gonna start recording it with this camera because I want to show you guys how the audio sounds with the DJI mic. This is still the sound without the mic. So I'm gonna turn the mic on now. It's connected. Hello, hello. And it also tells me what battery percentage the mic is on. The mic is currently on 80%. This mic battery lasts forever. I don't even remember the last time I charged it, and the fact that it's still on 80%. That's wild. Like, how convenient is she? She follows me around. I can turn that feature off if I want to. And the mic is incredible, you guys. The mic is incredible. You can also connect the mic to your phone. If you think of any other questions, please just leave it as a comment, because I am happy to chat about the Osmo Pocket 3 all day, any day. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.